Sad face. Where is the sad face cut out? Sad face. Very good, all of you. And now fear face. Oh, fear. Fear face. Turn and show me, Sukrip. Fear face. Oh, like that. Very good, Visha. Hazel. Very good, Ananya. Jason, what color is that? Fear face. Purple. Good morning. Why laughing? Huh? Okay, finally, very good, children. All of you keep your cutouts down. We'll start our session. Time up. Join your hands and close your eyes. Jason, repeat after mom. Kids the anthem. Nova. Shall I change?
Sunny, exercise குடிச்சிட்டு பண்ணிட்டு தண்ணி குடிக்கணும். Okay. Now kids anthem. Okay.
Kids the anthem. Okay, no problem. I'll ask Ananya. No problem, Jason. Ananya, repeat after mom. Ananya.
Okay. Say okay.
Okay. Kids the anthem.
Kids anthem.
You are within me.
Within me.
You are infinite.
Sorry.
You are unique.
Unique.
My potential inside.
My potential side.
You are the wings
Why are wings?
beneath my flight.
Wings, right?
You define me.
Beautify me.
My potential inside.
My potential side.
Today I pledge
Today I pitch
with all my might.
my husband.
I shall achieve you.
I shall you.
So,
My potential inside.
Potential side.
Very good. Good morning, Ananya. Good morning, everyone. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Good morning. Yes, come on, don't sit down. Stand up for the warm-up activity.
Warm-up activity, so please.
Come on, warm up.
இங்க warm up க்கு எதுக்கு அங்க போற? Come here. இங்க exercise பண்ணு.
Vanilla ma'am, your face is not visible.
Did you say anything, ma'am?
Yeah, your face is not visible actually. You just adjust your camera and play the music.
Yeah.
What's going on?
Yes, all of you go drink one glass of water and come back.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, Ma. 1 minute, okay. Very good, Dashwan. Very good. Very good, Hazel. Next.
Yeah.
Very good, Jason. Keshav. Keshav is absent. Okay. Next. Very good, Radhyani. Next. Very good, Marudvin. Next. Very good, Sarah.
Really,
Very
Rajita.
good. Next. Very good, Ananya. Next. Very good. Very good, Sukriv Gautam. Next. Yeah, very good, Mavisha. Next. Kavi Kartika. Very good, Kavi Kartika. Next. Very good, Mahilini. Next. Very good, Mitra. Next. Very good, Mataruneshwar. Next. Very good, Varsha. Good morning, Varsha. Next. Vihan. Very good, Vihan. Next. Madhuvanti. Very good, Ma. Okay. Children, are you all ready for rhymes? Okay, 1 minute. Okay, today we are going to conduct a new activity. Let us see what is that. 1 minute, let me show you. Those who have joined now, are you all ready with your emotions cut out? Those who have joined now. Varsha, Madhuvanti is already ready. Varsha joined now. Next, Kavi Kartika. Can you see my screen? Can you see my screen, parents?
No.
No, wa?
No, ma'am.
Now it's
Now is it visible?
Now it's visible.
now it's visible.
I love you.
Yeah, thank you. Children, I'm going to spin this wheel. Okay? Whose name comes at last, they are going to sing the rhyme, Mummy Daddy rhyme. Okay? Shall we start spinning it? Ready, all of you? Ready, steady, go. One minute. Yeah, it is Radhyarni. 1 minute. Radhyarni. Okay? Radhyarni is going to sing the rhyme now. Come on, Radhyarni, sing the rhyme.
Which rhymes, ma'am?
Mummy Daddy rhymes.
Mommy ready. Tada.
Mommy, daddy, I love you. You love me too, you love me too. As for me too. Brother, sister, this all pain. Sing and dance, all to the day. Gamma, oh, so sweet. Give you kisses.
When we meet. Very good, Radhyani. And the next person we are going to spin. Who's going to be that? Sarah. Sarah. Where is Sarah?
Hi, ma'am.
Hey, Ben.
Gonna go.
Sarah.
Mommy,
Daddy,
mommy,
daddy, love it too, get it too.
Brother, sister,
But it,
Mm.
but this is
Let's all play.
Mm.
Sing and dance, laugh and dance.
all through the day.
Mm.
Grandma,
Grandma, grandpa.
grandma, grandpa.
Mm.
Oh,
When we meet. Very good. Well done, Sarah. Okay, one more time, the third time. Let's see who is going to sing now. Yes, it is. Who's this? Varsha. It is Varsha. Varsha. Come on, Varsha. Sing the rhyme. Sarah, mute yourself.
Mommy, daddy, I love you. Love me
Mm.
too. Love me too. Care for me too. Brother, sister, let's go play. Sing and dance, lots of friends all through the day. Grandpa, you're so. You give me hugs and give me kisses.
Well done. Now let's see who's the fourth person. Oh my God, Keshav is absent today. Okay, we'll spin another time, okay? Because Keshav is absent today. Madhuvanti. Come on, Madhuvanti.
Mommy, daddy, I love you. I love you too. I love you too. I love you too.
Care for me too.
Brother, sister, let's go play. Sing and dance and dance all through the day.
Mm.
Grandpa, grandma, you so sweet. I give you kiss.
I'll give you hugs and give you kisses when we meet. Very good, Madhvanti. And the final one, fifth round. Shall we see? Kavi Kartika. Kavi Kartika.
Daddy, I love you. Love me too. Love me too.
Mm.
Daddy, mommy, daddy, I love you. Kilometer, cat, tomato.
Mm.
Let dog play.
Mm. Laugh and prance. Sing and dance, laugh and prance all through the day. Next. Grandma, grandpa, you're so sweet. I'll give you hugs and give you kisses when we meet. Very good. Likewise, daily we have five persons singing a rhyme. Okay. And now next is hygiene, children. Yesterday I taught you hygiene, right? Day before yesterday also I taught you hygiene. What did we learn in that? Wash your hands and then what is it? Anyone?
Hands, brush your teeth,
Brush your teeth and then
go to work.
comb your hair. Very good, Mahilini. And then what is it?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Take it.
Yeah, take bath daily. How many times will you brush your teeth? How many times will you brush your teeth, everyone? One time or two times?
2 times a day.
One.
Two times. Yeah, we should brush our teeth 2 times. Very good. And then what you should do? After bathing, you should what you should do? Yeah, eat healthy food. Okay, after eating healthy food, what you should do? You should learn your lessons. Learn. Okay, and then have to play with your friends. Will you quarrel with your friends? Will you fight with your friends? Yes or no?
மேம் இங்கிலீஷ்ல
Will you
பேசலாம்.
fight
அவங்க
with
என்ன
your
பேசுறாங்கன்னு கேளு.
Yes. Will you
என்ன
fight? Yes
பேசுறாங்கன்னு
or
கேளு.
no? சண்டை போடுவீங்களா ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் கூட? Will you fight? சண்டை
Question அது,
போடுவீங்களா?
எனக்கு answer என்ன?
No, should not
சண்டை
fight
போட
with your
மாட்டேன்.
friends. Okay, very good, children. And now
கேக்குறது
today we
புரியுதா
are going
மேம்
to
என்ன
see a
கேக்குறாங்க?
story. Okay,
அவ
shall we
பதில்
see a
சொல்லு.
story regarding that? You asked me in last class. Mahilini asked me. Mahilini or who else I don't know. They asked me what will happen if we are not brushing our teeth regularly twice a day. So we are going to see a story regarding that. Are you all ready for the story? Yes or no? When you say yes only, I'll start the story. Or else no. Ready. Very good. Today we are going to see the story Pepper brushes his teeth. So we are going to see what is going to happen to Pepper. Can you see here the boy who is brushing the teeth? Yes, he is Pepper. Okay, his name is Pepper. We are going to see what is going to happen to him. Okay, and the name of the story is Pepper brushes his teeth. See here, it is night time and this is Pepper's mummy. Okay, she's saying, come on, good night, Pepper. Did you brush your teeth? You are going to bed, right? Did you brush your teeth? She's asking, did you brush your teeth? பல் வளர்க்கனியா? தூங்க போறீங்களே, brush பண்ணீங்களா? Like that she's asking. At that time, what Pepper is saying? I am too sleepy, mama. எனக்கு ரொம்ப தூக்கம் வருதுமா. I am not going to brush my teeth. நான் brush பண்ணல, மம்மி. எனக்கு ரொம்ப தூக்கம் வருது. And then what mummy said? Pepper, if you are not brushing your teeth, the ants will come and bite your cheeks. See here, can you see Pepper's mouth? How it is? It's full of, he ate something, chocolate or cake, I don't know. See his mouth, how dirty it is. Chichi, very bad, right? If he is sleeping like that, what will happen? All the ants will come and bite his mouth. Will it pain if ant bites you? Ant bite பண்ணா என்ன ஆகும்? வலிக்கும். It will be painful. Okay, so what mummy is saying? Go brush your teeth. போய் brush பண்ணு Pepper. Otherwise ant வந்து கடிச்சிரும். Like that she is saying. And then germs will attack your teeth. You can see the germs here. See the germs. Mahilini, germs பாருங்க. Oh my god, germs. All these germs. Can you see it is having all those weapons in its hands? All these with the weapons, these germs will attack you, Pepper. So you should go and brush your teeth. Then there will be holes in your teeth. Your teeth will become decayed, okay? And then I won't let them in. I'll keep my mouth closed like this. See what Pepper is saying? I will close my mouth like this. நான் இப்படி வாயை க்ளோஸ் பண்ணிக்குவேம்மா அப்போ germஸோ ஆண்டோ வராது. He's saying like that. See how silly he is. But what Mama said? No, Pepper, that won't happen. They can get in any time when you sleep. When you are sleeping, all these germs and ants, they will come near your mouth. Okay, you will not know that. Okay, va? Next is, see here. What is saying? I don't want germs in my mouth, Mama. Pepper got very scared. Achucho, germs ants enakku venda. I'm going to go and brush my teeth. And Mama is saying, very good. Go first. Brush your teeth. I'll scrub and chase all the germs away. See, Pepper? He's having a brush in his hand and he is going to brush his teeth. Pepper என்ன பண்ண போறாங்க? இப்ப brush பண்ணி எல்லா germsயும் ஓட வைக்க போறாங்க. Next, see here. Mama is applying. What is Mama applying on his brush? What is Mummy doing? Yeah, Mummy is applying paste in his brush and she is asking to brush his teeth. Come on, Pepper. Now brush your teeth up and down, all around. Up and down, all around. Up and down, all around. How will you brush your teeth? Up, down, all around. In a circle, okay? Up, down, and all around. And Pepper started brushing. Now, germs will never come near your teeth, Pepper. See his sparkling teeth. Can you see his teeth? First, how was his mouth full of chocolate and cakes, right? Now, see how clean Pepper teeth is. Ipa clean irukka Pepper oda teeth? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, now Pepper's teeth is very clean and he is happy also. Now he is thinking there is no food for the germs. See here, the germs is crying. Why germs is crying? ஏன் germs அழறாங்க? Why germs is crying? ஏன்னா
food கிடைக்கல.
ஒண்ணுமே கிடைக்கல. Why? Because Pepper brushed his teeth. Pepper brush பண்ணதுனால பெப்பரோட மவுத்ல இருக்க germs எல்லாம் ஓடி போச்சு. Now germs has nothing to eat and it is very hungry, so it is crying and no food for us like that. Pepper's teeth has become very clean, so no food for us. See here, so what you have to do? Always brush your teeth in the morning and at night. Now Pepper learned a lesson. What did he learn? Daily morning brush பண்ணனும், night also you should brush your teeth. Okay? Hereafter will you all do that? Will you all do that, children? Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes, you have to brush your teeth morning and at night. 2 times you have to brush your teeth. Then only the germs will not come and attack your teeth. Your teeth will be very clean and you will not get any cavities. Okay, will you all do that? Pakka, will you all do that? Yes or no? I want yes or no from everyone. Unmute yourself and say yes. Yeah, very good. Well done, children. Very good. High five to everyone. High five to Venda ma'am. All my children are very good children. You are going to brush twice a day. Okay? Okay. When you get toothache, okay, if you are not brushing your teeth regularly, when you get toothache, to whom you will go? யார்கிட்ட போவீங்க? toothache இருந்ததுனா யார்கிட்ட போவீங்க? Normal doctor? No, you'll go to a dentist. Dentist is the person who checks our teeth. Okay? So if you get toothache, பல் வலிச்சா எங்க போவீங்க? Dentist. You will go to a dentist. Okay, children? Very good. Did you all love the story?
போக கூடாது.
Dentist கிட்ட தான் போணும். Okay? Very good, Bhagilini. Did you all enjoy the story? Story நல்லா இருந்துச்சா?
Yes.
Story was nice?
Yes.
Okay, now all of you come on, stand up. Let's do road counting 1 to 20. Stand up, all of you. Ma'am is going to count. You're going to jump. Come on, stand up. Ready, steady, go. Start jumping. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Very good. Well done, children. All of you take your calendar. Yesterday date was 15. What is today's date? What is today's date? என்ன date இன்னைக்கு? 1/6/16. Very good, Dashwan Velan. Come on, take your calendar and color the date 1/6/16 and the day is Friday.
இதுதான் கரெக்ட் இதுதான் இதுல 1650
1/6/16. See here, 1/6/16. Find out this number in your calendar and color 1/6/16.
சரி 16
All of you are ready with your calendars. Are very good, children. 1/6/16.
ஏன்டா இது ஈஸியா இல்லையா
Very good. Finish. Now point out from number 11. All of you. Can you see the board? All of you, can you see the board here?
இந்த கார்டு
See the board here? Everyone? Yes, everyone can see?
11 அங்க
See here. First point out number 11. 11. Point out the number in your calendar. 11. 1 to 12. 1 to 12. 1 3 13. Point out the number 1 3 13. Next is 1 4 14. 1 4 14. 1 5 15. 1 5 15. 1 6 16. 1 6 16. 1 7 17. 1 7 17. 1 8 18. 1 8 18. 1 9 19. 1 9 19. And finally 2 0 20. 2 0 20. Did you all point out the numbers correctly, children? 2 0 20 till 20. Yes or no? Yes or no? Very good, Jason. Well done. Okay, today we are going to learn a new number. Okay, and the number is 1 to 12. Okay, see here I have group of 10 ice cream sticks and separately 2 ice cream sticks. So I have 10, 11, 12. Group of 10, 11, 12. This is group of 10. So how many ice cream sticks are here? 10 ice cream sticks are here. Okay. Group of 10, 11, 12. All of you take your worksheet. D11, day 11, empty. 12, number 12 worksheet. D11, empty worksheet. Write today's date. Today's date is 1/6/16-7-21/21. Hazel, all the work if you want to do, then how much time it will take? Come on, get help from your mama. She wants to do it on her own.
Ma'am, what's the page number?
D11. D11 empty worksheet. Write today's date, children. Today's date is 1/6/16 dash 7 dash 2121. Parents, while they are counting also, please tell them this is group of 10. Don't allow them to count one by one. Group of 10. Then only they will remember the group of 10. In future, all the numbers will be given in group. 20 means 2 tens group will be given, and another number 21 means 1 will be given in single. So group of 10, 11, 12. Like this they have to count. Please make sure they are counting like this. Group of 10, 11, 12. There are 10 petals here. So this is group of 10. And after 10 you get 11, 1, 1, 11, 1, 2, 12. First you have to write number 1 and then only 2 children. See here, 1, 2, 12. No one should write 2 first and 1 at last. First you have to write number 1 only and then only you have to write number 2. First write number 1 and then number 2. 1, 2, 12. Spell and write children. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. 1, 2, 12. Like that you have to spell and write children. Come on. 1, 2, 12. Let me see who is spelling it out and writing. I'm going to come back and I'm going to see who is spelling it out and writing. Start writing. 1 to 12. Count it like group of 10, 11, 12. 1 to 12.
எப்படி சொல்லி கொடுத்துருக்காங்க மேம் கேள்
Group of 10, 1, 1, 11, 1 to 12. Circle the group of 10. After 10, what number will come? 11, 1, 1, 11, 1 to 12. Like that, you have to count children.
இங்க மேம் கேள்
1, 2, 12. First write number 1 and then write number 2. Don't write 2 first and 1 at last. It is wrong. Number 1 first you have to write and then only number 2. First 1 எழுதுங்க and then only you have to write number 2. This is the correct way of writing. 1, 2, 12. No one should write 2, 1, 2 போட்டு 1 போடக்கூடாது. It is wrong. Okay? Parents, please be sure that they are not writing in that way. 1, 2, 12. Write fast. I'll give you stars today. Come on, write fast.
அப்படி இல்லம்மா கேள் 1 பக்கத்துல 2 மேம் கேள்
What, Mama Ilini? What doubts you have?
and she is writing just the 1 alone and she
No. Not like that. Milini, full number எழுதணும் கண்ணா. Come on. 1, 2 and then only next box. See here, Milini. See how ma'am is writing. இங்க பாருங்க Milini, ma'am முதல்ல 1 எழுதணும்னா. Now I am writing 2. 1 to 12. Like this only you should write. Then move on to the next box. 1, 2, 12. இப்படி எழுதுங்க பார்க்கலாம். குட் கேர்ள் மைலினி. ஸ்டார் கொடுப்பேன் மேம். கம் ஆன், ரைட் ப்ராப்பர்லி.
இங்க இருந்து
கம் ஆன்.
okay.
I have ice cream also today. Chocolate also. Come on, write fast.
Super. Ice cream no. Fast. இங்க 1 2 சொல்லிட்டு எழுதுங்க. Very good.
Good girl மைலினி. Next 2 எழுதுங்க. 2 1 2 12.
Next in the box will 1
1 2 12. Don't write 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2. No, it is not a single number. It is a 2-digit number, children. 2-digit number together only you should write. Very good, Madhuvanti.
Your
Finish.
mic on mute. When the teacher calls the child name, you can unmute your mic.
Finish, ma'am.
Very good, Vihan. How did you write 1 2 12 like that? Or 1 1 1 1 2 2 2 2 னு எழுதுனீங்களா?
எப்படி எழுதுறேன்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
எப்படி எழுதுனீங்க?
1 1 11
1 1 11. Is that 1 1 11 page?
சொல்லு.
1 2 12. Vihan. Vihan ma'am பாருங்க. Ma'am பாருங்க. Don't feel shy. Don't feel shy to speak with ma'am. Okay? Ma'am என்ன கேட்டாலும் பதில் சொல்லுங்க. Okay? What number you wrote now? Very good, Sukreev. What number you wrote, ma Vihan? என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுனீங்க இப்போ?
என்ன நம்பர் எழுதுறேன்னு கேக்குறாங்க.
1 2 12. Very good.
மேம் பாத்து சொல்லு.
I think Vihan's big problem is his language.
That's such a
When I'm asking him in Tamil, he's answering well.
Yeah.
I want you to stay, Vihan, after the session. I want to speak with you, okay? Yeah. Very good, ma, Mitra. Sukri Gautam, did you finish?
Yeah.
Finish, really? Show me how you have done.
காமிச்சிடுங்க மேம்க்கு நோட் புக் எடுத்து காமிங்க.
So really, you have become a Superman, நிச்சயமா சூப்பர்மேன் ஆயிட்டீங்களா? See how fast you have written. High five, Sukri. High five. Hey, சமத்து Sukri.
He wanted to write date and name by himself, ma'am.
Wow, yeah, I have seen in his worksheet also in the name side, yes?
Yeah, ma'am.
Very good, Sukri. Good boy. You are really a Superman.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
See you, Machi.
Very good, Visha. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Madhuvanti. Okay, finished? Very good, Varsha. Okay, now close your book. We are going to play color game. Color, what color do you choose? Shall we play? Come on, stand up, all of you. Close your book, keep it aside. Next, we'll do the language worksheet, okay? Yes, come on, ready, steady, go. Color, what color do you choose? Blue. 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 Very good, Mitra. Well done. Blue. Very good, Vihan. Madhuvanti. Ananya, dress. Very good, Varsha. Well done, blue. Very good, well done. Okay, now the next color, okay? Color, what color do you choose? Very good, Visha. And the color is yellow. Yellow. Yellow, Teddy. Very good. Hey, very good, Ananya. I expected the same. Yellow color smiley she showed to me. Very good. Very good, Varsha. Very good, Mitra. Dashwan, yellow. Yellow toy. Very good, Madhuvanti. Mahilni, Hazel. Good. Yellow Hazel. Sorry, Jason. Good. Very good, Jason. Yellow. Now the next color. Color. What color do you choose? It is red. Red. Run and bring your red color. Red. Very good, Dashwan. You are so smart. School bag, ah? Visha also school bag. Madhuvanti school bag. Hazel ball. Very good, Ananya. Very good, Mitra. Varsha, super Varsha. Very nice, Varsha. Sara, very good. Water bottle. Very good, Jason. Sukri Gautam, what did you bring? Something you brought. What is that? Sticks, color ice cream sticks. Okay. Good. Very good. And the final color, okay? Color. What color do you choose? It is purple. Purple. Where is purple? Purple. Very good, Sara. Fear face. Purple color. Very good, Dashwan. Very good, Varsha. Well done. Very good. All of you, very good. Hazel, good. Visha, good. Then Ananya, good. Mahilni, very good. Tadyani, good, ma. Very good. Water bottle. Vihan, good. Very good, all of you. Clap hands for yourself. Yellow, yes, I saw everything, Kanna. Very good, Radhya. Clap hands for yourself. A loud clap. Fast clap. Fast. Stop. Fast. Stop. Okay, now take your slate, all of you. Take your slate and write A, B, C. Small letter A, small letter B, and small letter C together. See here. A, B, C. A for apple, airplane, apron, ambulance. And B for ball, bat, bus. And C for cake, car, candle, crown. A, B, C. Parents, is there any difficulties your child facing in writing these three alphabet A, B, C? Please let me know. Kavi Kartika, A, B, C. Write this. Small a, small b, and small c. A for a. A sounds a. And so and then B sounds b. Bring your bat and bring your ball, b. Very good, Madhuvanti. C for, yeah, very good, Kana. C, ka. Very good, Visha. Ka. We are clicking castanets. Ka. மதுவந்தி பாட்டி ஏன் அடிச்சீங்க அடிக்காதீங்க அவ நல்ல பிள்ளை ஏன் அடிக்கிறீங்க அடிக்காதீங்க next today we are going to learn a new letter, that is D. Very good, children. All of you wrote, I saw. Very good. Now D, a standing line and a backside curve. See here, a standing line and a backside curve. D. The curve you should put at the back of the standing line, like C. Okay, see here, standing line and a backside curve. Very good, Mananya. Capital letters, Hazel, I told you to write small letters, Kana. What you are writing? Very good, Mavisha. Well done. D. D sounds. What is the sound for D? What is the phonic sound for D, children? Huh? Da. See me play on my drums. Playing drums is lots of fun with the da. See me play upon my drum. Very good. Da. Mahilini, write small letters, Mahilini.
Ma'am,
D. Very good, ma.
Yes.
Very good, Jason, Radyarni, and then Vihan wrote, Miley wrote. Very good, ma. Radyarni, I saw yours. Very good.
ma'am, she's not
Madhuvanti.
writing the small letters.
Why, ma, Mahilini?
She's writing something EF and all that.
Why A, B, C, D, E, F capital letters? Small
Ah.
letters எப்ப எழுதுவீங்க Mahilini?
Okay, ma'am,
Look at the screen. Mahilini.
Ma'am.
Write this.
see.
Wait.
Magil.
Okay, turn your slate and write.
Ah.
Turn your slate and write small letter A, B, C, D.
இங்க பாரு ஸ்கிரீன் பாரு மேம் பாரு மேம் எழுதிருக்கேன்
அங்கெல்லாம் பச்சைலோ.
Achcho. Okay, anyhow, she is going to write in worksheet, don't worry.
Yes.
Okay, and today's worksheet, we are going to write the same letter D, okay? D11 LT. And the worksheet number is D11 LT. D11 LT. The same way, write today's date is 16 dash 7 dash 2121. Children, those who have not sent your A to Z capital letters homework, send it by today, okay? D. First, write it with your finger, children. With your pointer finger. Here, from number 1, okay? Standing line. Come like a standing line. Fully till down like this. And then a curve from here. Back side. D. Sri Ananya, you can write from the next page, ma. Same number, D. Others, carry on with this sheet. We'll have 5 blanks below. D. Many of you will try to write like this. First C போடு, அப்புறம் ஒரு standing line போடு. Please don't teach them like that. First a standing line and a small curve at the back. Front curve will be for B, but for D it is backside curve. D for dog. Dog. D for drum. D for duck. D for dolphin. D for deer. D for dots. D for doll. So these are the related pictures to D. Spell and write, children. D. Spell and write D. And the next page will be the homework for others. Okay, the same thing. D11 page, next page will be having capital D and small d. That will be your homework today, children. Okay. Right fast, Milini. We are going to draw and color. Come on, write fast. Coloring activity is there. Write fast.
Good.
Finished, everyone?
Very good.
Now take your symphonics books. Take your symphonic books. Those are finished. Take your symphonic book. Phonics book you will have. Take the symphonics book. And in that, take D. D. Here I want you to circle only the small letter D. Circle the small letter D here. Here you can see the it's given no like that. Only D you have to circle. Find out and circle. Let me see how many of you are finishing it fast. Symphonics book. Varsha, did you get the book, ma? It will be green in color. Yeah, that book only. Open it. Take the D page. Page number is 8. This page. Ananya's mom, you are not having that sheet no which has blanks in it. So ask her to write one line in the class and rest of the lines you can write afterwards as homework. Okay?
Yeah, okay, ma'am. Yeah, sure.
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, small D then,
Small d.
Okay.
Only small d you have to circle.
Okay.
No capital D. Capital D is there, but circle only small d.
Page number.
Page number is 8.
Okay, thanks.
Symphonics book. Green color it will be. Not the word trip book. Another book you will have. D. Rudvin. Rudvin circle capital D Rudvin.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Rudvin capital பண்ணட்டு small letter பண்ண வேண்டாம்.
Okay, ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, okay. Harsha finish Doing it, do. Very sincerely doing it, Varsha. Check with your pointer finger like this. Run through the lines and check whether you can see any D here. Okay? Very good. Sukrit Gautam, very sincerely circling it. Good. Madhwanti, come on, let me see who is finishing first. Very good, Vihan. Ananya. Hazel. Very good, Hazel. You are such a sweetheart, Hazel. Sometimes you work very sincerely, Hazel. Good girl. Do it. Mummy only always disturbing Hazel. Hazel is such a good girl. Huh? You right, ma. Always this mama is disturbing.
I'm disturbing you, right?
Right. You are such a good girl. Right.
Right.
D. Circle. Fast. Do it fast. Those who are circling fast will get the ice cream today. Parents, whenever you buy chocolates for them, please tell them that the chocolates are dedicated to them on my behalf. Then only they will believe me that I am giving them chocolates. Very good, Mitra. Finish, Mahilini.
No, she's making a deal with the ice cream.
Ice cream, okay. You buy and give her ice cream.
Sure.
Ice cream kandipa undu. Come on, you circle. Ice cream, jolly. Come on, circle. Good girl. Big ice cream, okay?
No.
Kutti ice cream poduma. Okay, chinna ice cream poduma. See, such a good girl. Very good, Madhwanti. Finish.
You know the parents big. Uncle big ice cream.
Very good, Madhwanti. Good girl. Madhwanti, what color star you need? What color? Huh?
Big.
Big star. Ah, okay. Big star.
Big chocolate, ma'am.
Big
She wants
chocolate.
big
Ah. Okay, I'll send you in courier. Okay. Take the big chocolate and have it. Then like pepper. If the germs come and bite your teeth, I don't know, pa. I don't know, pa. Okay, good. Very good, Mitra. What color star you need? Very good. Mitra, what color star you need? Huh? Purple star for Ananya. Purple star for Ananya. Mitra, what color star?
Pink color.
Pink color. Pink color star for Mitra. Visha, what color star you need? Welcome. Blue color for Visha. Wait. Blue color.
Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome. Kartika, what color star you need?
Red color.
Red color. Very good, Kartika. Finish faster. Very good. Vihan, what color star you need?
சத்தமா சொல்லு.
Huh?
Orange color, ma'am.
Orange star for Vihan. Look at me, Vihan.
Yellow one.
Varsha, very good, Varsha. What color star you need?
Green color star.
Color star. Color star for Varsha. I don't know what color. You choose any color from this. Okay? Okay? Okay, va. You want big or pink? What do you want? Pink. Pink. Yeah, very good. Sukri Gautam, what color star you need? Purple. Purple. Very good. Did you circle all the D? Did you circle it? Very good. Well done. Okay. Hazel, what color star you need?
Thank you.
Welcome. What color star, Hazel?
Pink.
Pink. Always pink, this girl. Pink. Okay? Very good, children. All of you have done very well. Thanks for your cooperation. See you on Monday. Have a happy weekend. Be safe. Okay? Bye, children. See you on Monday. Bye, everyone.